Diamonds are known for their exceptional physical properties, especially their ability to handle high temperatures. Because of this, heat is sometimes discussed as a way to distinguish diamonds from other minerals. However, when working at home, especially for beginners, this method should be understood theoretically rather than practically due to safety concerns. The science behind heat in diamonds. Diamonds have a very high melting point and excellent thermal stability compared to many materials that look similar, such as quartz, glass, or synthetic stones. When exposed to heat, these imitation materials may crack, change color, or become damaged much more easily than a real diamond. This difference is why heat is sometimes mentioned in diamond testing discussions. The idea is based on material resistance, not on simple appearance. Why heat testing at home is risky. Although diamonds can withstand extreme heat, home testing using fire or high temperatures is unsafe and not recommended, especially for young people or those without proper tools. Heating stones can cause burns or fires, damage to surrounding objects, cracking of the stone if it is not a diamond, injury from sudden temperature changes. Because of these risks, professionals use controlled laboratory conditions, not household methods. Safer alternatives for home examination. Instead of using heat, beginners can try non-dangerous observation methods, such as examining crystal shape and natural rough surfaces, checking transparency and how light passes through the stone, comparing weight with stones of similar size. These methods are safer and still useful for learning. Professional testing is the best option. The most reliable way to identify a rough diamond is through a gemologist or by using professional tools like thermal conductivity testers, which are designed to be safe and accurate. Conclusion. While diamonds are famous for their heat resistance, heat testing should remain a scientific concept rather than a home experiment. Understanding the theory is helpful, but safety should always come first. For accurate results and personal safety, professional evaluation is the best choice.